Imizi eminingi yaseBertrams isatshiswa ngokuvalelwa ugesi namanzi. Izakhamuzi zithi izinombolo zezindlu zazo azihambisani nezamakheli.
For as long as I can remember, this has been carrying on. Like our stand numbers don't correspond with our addresses, which means I'm getting billed for somebody else's water. Before we had prepaid, that was exactly the same with our electricity as well. Our electricity used to be running with our neighbor's electricity.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi sezivele zivalelwe izinsiza zikamasipala.
I've got the receipt of cutting my water last week. My water is cut. Now I have to go with buckets up and down, up and down. It's not right. Where will I get that money for 337,000 rand? Where must I get it? My old age pension is only 2,000. Make it a round figure, 2,000. That is the old age pension, which I can draw only on Friday. How can I give them and I must still go to hospital to fix my cancer stuff? I can't do that.
Ngaphandle kwamaphutha ezincwadi zezikweletu, izakhamuzi zithi ungahambisani kwezinombolo kusho ukuthi abanikazi bezindlu bathwala kanzima ukuthola imvume uma befuna ukulungisa kabusha izindlu zabo.
It was 2011 when my son wanted to renovate this house. When we go to the council with the builder and the draft of this thing, then the person told us no, the stand number of mine is wrong. I did have the title deed, but the stand number was wrong. It's 372, and I stay on 370. That was the problem. So we can't renovate. So everything collapsed.
Idolobha laseGoli belingakaphawuli ngalezinzolo.